Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. I'm at my parents' house in Florida, and today's video is a collaboration challenge that my sister's hosting over at Peacecraft Dolls. I've made a couple pieces of jewelry, and anyway, just stay tuned. It's all about animals. One of the many things I knew that I was going to get to do was go to Animal Kingdom, and I thought this would be perfect for the collaboration challenge. I knew I had this really cool fabric with all kinds of animals on it, and so I wanted to make my doll a dress, and of course I wanted to make some jewelry to go with it. I made a little beaded pole charm thingy for her eye pole and some earrings. Look at this really cool charm. This monkey went perfect on the eye pole. I just used some beads from a recent Bargain Bead Box that I got in the mail. And then of course I had to make her some earrings, and I used beads from the Bargain Bead Box to do that. Here's her eye pole. And here she is, all decked out, ready to go to Animal Kingdom. It was such a beautiful day, perfect weather, and there really wasn't that many people at the park. Our first ride we did was the safari, and we saw so many cool animals. Giraffes. Of course, we had to see the flamingos. Then there were the rhinoceros. Boy, there were a lot of them, and they sure put on a show. Even this little baby, he was so cute. We saw a few lions. And too quickly, our safari ride was over. Our next stop was to see Lion King. That show was fantastic. After we left, we decided we wanted to stand in line for the Avatar ride. Oh my goodness, that's got to be my favorite ride. Talk about adrenaline rush. I can't even say it. Oh, that was so cool. After a few more activities, we decided it was time for lunch. After lunch, we did a little bit more exploring, rode some more rides, and just enjoyed the day. We even took a little bit of time for a photo shoot. Okay, do you see it? Look really, really close. It's a hippopotamus. Did you know they can hold their breath for up to 9 minutes? Okay, so these little guys are so cute. They're meerkats. And he is the watch out. He's looking for danger, making sure everybody is safe. All his little family, as you see down here. He's checking things out, just in case some danger may come about. Our next stop was the gorillas. I love this mom's face. And her baby, 10 months old. So darling. Then we had a few gorillas who, I don't know, they didn't get along too well. These two got along okay, but as you'll see in a minute, we had somebody that wasn't too happy. This went on off and on for a few minutes, but then look who came out and told everybody to settle down. We had a really great day. I actually went with my old roommate from college. We had a lot of fun, but we sure were tired when we got home. I had a lot of fun with this video. I hope you enjoyed it too. A thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. And I hope you go check out all the other participants. I'll put a hashtag down at the bottom so you can just click on that and go check everybody else's videos out. And I hope you all have a fantastically wonderful day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.